Hey everyone, it's Matt. Today, I'm revealing what I think is the laziest way to make money online right now. If you're tired of 9 to 5s, don't have startup money, or don't want to be in front of a camera, keep watching. I'll show you a method that checks all those boxes. First off, let's clarify what this isn't. You won't be trading hours for dollars, doing surveys, freelancing, or anything like that. You also won't need to create a product, build a following, or show your face on camera. I know firsthand that these approaches can burn you out fast, so let's skip them. The method? It's called the HPP system, which stands for High Payout Partner System. Here's how it works. You find a high-paying partner product that you believe in, generate a simple video using AI tools, and push traffic to that product. And when I say high payout, I mean products where even one sale could make you $250 or more. With just a few sales, you're already making good money. So you might be thinking, isn't this just affiliate marketing? But here's the twist: with traditional affiliate marketing, you often end up promoting low commission products, or you put in a ton of work making videos that don't get seen. With the HPP system, you'll work smarter, not harder. Instead of spending hours on complex videos, you use AI tools to make quick, effective content. Then, you post on just 2 social platforms. No need to spread yourself thin across every platform out there. Once you find a great partner product, you use AI tools to create one main long-form video. Then, you can generate tons of short-form videos to drive traffic to that main one. Think of it as setting up a system that works for you long after you've put in the initial effort. A single good long-form video can work for months, even years, bringing in passive income as it gets views. Now, here's where the real potential comes in. If you upload 3 videos a week, then in a year, you'll have over 140 videos working for you. Even if each video averages just 1,000 views, that's hundreds of thousands of views each month. And if just a small percentage of those views turn into sales, you're looking at serious income. In the next video, I'll show you how to find a high payout product and the exact AI tools to make these videos super easily. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to be the first to know about my new high payout partner program, join the early bird list below to get exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.